Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Okay, these are the things that I made for my father. I made this, and it says, Dad, you're the best. I made it at school. And then at the back, it says, I love you. Dear Dad, Happy Father's Day. I hope you have an awesome time. Hi guys, welcome back to Lunar. And today, I am going to be assembling this greenhouse because it's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Now let's get to it. Okay, these are the things that I made for my father. I made this, and it says, Dad, you're the best. I made it at school. And then at the back, it says, I love you. Dear Dad, Happy Father's Day. I hope you have an awesome time from Lunar. I also made this for my dad at school. And it's like a tie. And it says, Best Dad in the world. Best Dad ever and hashtag #1. And also at home, I made this for my dad. And it's an origami card. It says Happy Father's Day. And all you have to do is pull this. Happy Father's Day. I love you. Okay guys, let's start assembling this greenhouse. I'm so excited. These are all the items we need to build the greenhouse. Long bars, medium bars, short bars, curved bars, connectors, and the cover. Okay guys, I have one of the curved bars and I also have one of the connectors, and you have to connect this, and I'm going to have to push it really hard because this girl doesn't have muscles. Now I get the thing that I already started on, and I get this, and I push it really hard. Yeah. I need muscles. Okay, that's good. Now I've just gotta put this piece here to make it stable. Yeah. Doesn't wanna snap the bottom. Oopsies. Look, we're getting there. Looks like a cubby house so far. I can leave it in this. The long bar is next. So, put the long bar here. I've got to take extra muscles for me. Hey. Push this way first. Okay, and then this way. Uh-oh, I did a mistake. So we're gonna have to take off this long bar somehow. Okay, and this connector is supposed to be this way. So, now that's going loose again. Great. Unbalanced. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Now, if you're doing this at home, it's best to when you've done all of these pots, it's best to lie it on a wall so so it doesn't fall down and hurt you like it nearly did to me. Don't want that. No. Don't want that. Now we're just gonna put this down here so it stays stable. Okay, that's good. Then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Okay, so now I'm gonna get this connector and put it at the end. Sorry, just that. Okay. Next, same thing on this side. Wait, yeah, okay, done. And then you just do the same thing you did with this side, and then just repeat what you did on this side. Okay, now trucks. Yeah. Okay, so just reading the instructions to find what we do next. Just gonna put this in. Just gonna put this in. Just gonna put this in. Okay. Just gonna put this in. Just gonna put this in. Just another ball to put in. One of those things. Connector. This side. Ay. And now, what you have to do is, you just have to repeat what you did on this and this. Finally, we just need 3 more bars. Now this goes on top. Ooh. Now it looks like a house now. Hello. new house, guys. Hi. Now the final bit we have to put to build this whole greenhouse is cover. I'm just going to look on the instructions how to put the cover on. Okay, with the help of my mom, we managed to put this cover on. And I'm gonna do the rest. Now, I'm going to go in my house. I mean, the greenhouse. Let's just open this zip up. Get in. No. Hi. Okay, so I finished building the greenhouse, and my mom put some plants in the greenhouse. Let's go look at the plant. Let's look at it. Actually, yeah. Ta-da! Ta-da! Lots of plants. I think this is mango, apple, chili. Looks a bit sad, but it has a house now. Now you guys know how to assemble a greenhouse. It's pretty easy. It just takes time. Maybe half an hour. Please like this video and subscribe if you haven't, and hit the bell right now. Bye for now.